Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your MacBook battery health. There are a few ways how you can do this. The first one would be to go to your system settings, scroll down until you see battery, and here is your battery health, normal. As you can see, the battery condition is normal and maximum capacity 86%. And also you always want to go ahead and toggle on optimized battery charging. Now, you see all of these options here. You can go ahead and click right there, but to see the actual battery health, you want to go ahead to system information right there on the search bar, and you will be redirected to this page, which is on your whole MacBook. So you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see power, and here is your battery information, which you may need. Here's your cycle count, condition, maximum capacity, which we already talked about, and some other great things. And also battery power, like system sleep timer, and so on and so forth. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.